Virtual reality. Virtual reality refers to a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. It typically involves the use of computer technology to create three-dimensional environments that can be interacted with explored by the user. Virtual reality often includes the use of specialized headsets or goggles that provide a fully immersive visual and auditory experience. Virtual reality has application in various fields including first, gaming and entertainment. Virtual reality technology has revolutionized the gaming industry by providing immersive and realistic gaming experience. Players can feel like they are inside the game world, interacting with objects and characters in a more engaging way. Second, education and training. Virtual reality is being used in education and training to create simulated environments for learning. It allows students to experience and practice real life scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. For example, medical students can simulate surgeries, and pilots can practice flying in virtual cockpits. 3. Architecture and design. Virtual reality enable architects and designers to create virtual walkthrough of building and space before they are constructed. This allows for better visualization and understanding of the design, as well as the ability to make change and improvements before the actual construction begins. 4. Healthcare and therapy. Virtual reality is being used to healthcare for various purposes, such as pain management, rehabilitation, and treating phobias and anxiety disorders. It provides a controlled and immersive environment for patients to undergo therapy and treatment. 5. Tourism and virtual travel. Virtual reality technology allows people to virtually explore and experience different locations and landmarks around the world. It can provide a sense of presence and immersion, allowing users to feel like they are actually visiting those places. Virtual reality has the potential to transform many industries and enhance the way we experience and interact with the world around us. It continues to evolve and advance, offering new possibilities for entertainment, education, and beyond.